All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you about my most recent flip that I did with some friends where we turned this into this. Wow. And by doing that, we sold it and we actually made about $140,000 in profit. One of my partners was my buddy Warren. As you can see, he's sleeping. It's because he's always working hard. And then my second partner was Keone. Look at this guy. Such a wholesome man. So here's some footage of how it looked like when we first bought it. As you can see, it was in rough shape, kind of a cosmetic rehab. We opened up the floor plan. As you can see here in the kitchen, it looks totally different from how it ended up being. Here's some footage of right after we did the demolition and opened the walls. Crazy. The numbers on this project was that we bought it for $475. The rehab cost about $80,000, and then I listed it for $740. And to our surprise, we got multiple offers and went with the highest one, which was $775, which was dope because we did not expect that at all. Here's how the living room looked before, and here's how it looked after. Pretty cool, huh? This was definitely my most favorite project so far because I was able to team up with friends. We were able to delegate everything else, and each individual had their own strengths, so you didn't have to worry about other stuff. And what was cool is that I probably went to the project 3 or 4 times during the rehab, and I didn't have to stress that much compared to my other projects. It just goes to show you that when you use teamwork, you're able to get more done in a more efficient manner and put out a good project and have a big win.